Hello guys, my name is Mustafa Nomani. I'll explain SQL language. What's SQL language? SQL language stands for Structured Query Language. It's a standard language for communicating with and managing data in the relational database management systems consist store data and retrieve data and update and manage data. Why we use SQL? SQL is very important for website and business analytics and mobile apps. For mobile apps, it's about commerce stores for social media and virtually and websites and handles users accounts. In business analytics, it used SQL for running reports and analyzing financial data. In mobile apps, manages SQL manages all backend data for mobile applications from users' profiles to in-apps activity and settings. Okay, thank you.
Thanks, Mustafa. To make it easy to learn, SQL commands are broken down into four main categories or sub-language based on what they do. First is DDL or Data Definition Language. This is the blueprint part of SQL. You use DDL command to define and build a database structure. Create is used to build a new database or table. Alter modify the structure of an existing table, and drop is used to delete entire table. As you can see in the example, we are building student table defining the filing cabinet itself. Second, and the most common, is DML or data manipulation language. If DDL built a structure, DML is used to manage the data inside it. Insert is to used to add new row of data, update modify data that already been there, delete used to remove data and select. Here's a quick example. We use the insert command to add new record for Zhang Junhao, which is my name, into our student table. The command specify which table and what data to add. And as you can see, the table now is updated with that new row. Now, my friend Xi Tianren will show you how we get the data back out.
Thank you. The select statement is the heart of SQL. It's how we ask questions and read data from the database. In this example, we are asking the database to select the name conclude from the student table, where the student ID is 252UT243J2. The database then run this query and return the one of piece of data we asked for, Chan Junhao. The last two sub-languages are for control and safety. DCL or Data Control Language is about security. It uses commands like grant and revoke to give or take away permission from users. And TCL or Transaction Control Language is for data integrity. Command like commit and rollback through SQL statement into a single transcription. This ensures that for something like a bank transfer, all states are safe or none of them do. I will now hand you over to member for the conclusion.
All right. Thank you, number three. Today I'm gonna talk about beyond the basic join. The really power of SQL comes from ability to contract data from different table using a join. A join links table throwing the sharing clump allowing us to combine information. For example, linking a student table with a course table to see each student enrolled class. All right. From from reference, SQL it's fundamental language in computer science. Our presentation beside unreliable academic source that you can refer to for reading. And thank you for attention. We hope presentation help you understand then the importance of SQL and why it's essential tool for computer science.